In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use Copilot in Excel. Before we jump in, let's make sure you're set up for success. Copilot in Excel is available with eligible Microsoft 365 plans, so the very first thing is to ensure your subscription or organization includes Copilot for Excel. If you're using a work or school account, your IT team or admin can confirm your access and availability. Once that's squared away, you're ready to put Copilot to work. Next, open the workbook you want to analyze and save it to OneDrive or SharePoint. Copilot runs in the Microsoft Cloud, so your file needs to live in a cloud location for it to understand, analyze, and generate results based on your data. Saving to OneDrive is perfect for personal or individual workbooks, while SharePoint is ideal for team files where multiple people collaborate. Make sure the people who need to use Copilot with this file have the right permissions. Now, help Copilot understand your data by formatting it as a table. Select your data range and turn it into a table so Excel recognizes headers, columns, and rows consistently. Clear, descriptive column names go a long way, and avoiding blank header cells or merged cells will give Copilot the best context. Tables also make formulas and summaries more reliable, since Copilot can refer to your fields by name. With your file saved to the cloud and your data as a table, you're ready to engage Copilot. You'll see the Copilot icon in the Excel ribbon. Click it to open the Copilot pane. You can also select a range or table and look for the sparkle icon right on the sheet. From there, simply type what you need in natural language. Ask for insights like summarize key trends, request formulas such as calculate year-over-year growth, or say create a clustered column chart of sales by region. Copilot will propose results, explanations, and steps. Review the suggestions, make any tweaks you need, and then insert them into your workbook. You stay in control. Nothing changes until you accept it. If you're in an enterprise environment and don't see Copilot, your admin may need to enable it in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, including enrolling through the Frontier program or placing users on a supported update channel. Once enabled, the Copilot and Sparkle icons should appear in Excel for eligible users. That's all you need to get started. Have the right license, save your file to OneDrive or SharePoint, format your data as a table, and use the Copilot or Sparkle icons to ask for insights, formulas, charts, and analysis in plain English. Try it on a small data set first, then build from there as you get comfortable.